My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and this is how to make a soft light Photoshop action to create a backlight effect, originally written by Marco Kozokar on Envato Tuts. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an amazing soft light photo action to make a backlight effect. I will explain everything in so much detail that everyone can create it, even those who have just opened Photoshop for the first time. First, open the photo that you want to work with. Now, before we get started, just check a couple of things. Your photo should be in RGB color mode, 8 bits per channel. For best results, your photo size should be between 2000 and 4000 pixels wide. Our image size is currently a bit larger, but we are going to crop it in the next step. Your photo should be the background layer. If it's not, go to Layer, New, Background from Layer. Now we need to crop the canvas on the top and the sides. Choose the Crop tool and transform the crop box. Use the chosen selection method to select the outline of the subject. Now go to Select, Modify, Smooth, and set the sample radius to 5 pixels. Then go to Select, Modify, Contract, and set Contract by 2 pixels. After that, go to Select, Modify, Feather, and set the feather radius to 2 pixels. Press Ctrl J to create a new layer using the selection and name this new layer Subject. Select the background layer, go to Layer, New, Layer to create a new layer and name it Light Source. Now choose the Brush tool, pick a soft brush and set the foreground color to white. Then brush where you want to create the light source. Feel free to use a different brush size. Select the background layer, go to Image, Adjustment, Levels, and use these settings. Now go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color to create a new solid color fill layer, name it Background Color, and choose the color Black. Change the opacity of this layer to 70%. Now select the subject layer and change the blending mode of this layer to Soft Light. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Curves to create a new Curves adjustment layer and name it Color Look. Adjust this layer. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Levels to create a new Levels adjustment layer and name it Overall Brightness. Adjust this layer. Select the subject layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then change the blending mode of this layer to normal. Now press Ctrl Shift U to desaturate this layer. Then go to Filter, Other, High Pass, and set the radius to 2 pixels. Change the blending mode of this layer to Vivid Light and name it Sharpening. Now you know how to create a Photoshop light effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.